Hey, hey, hey.
একই জায়গায় গেছে।
Never mind.
থ্যাংক ইউ স্যার।
এটা যা আমি বলতে গেছিলাম। লাভলি লাভলি, কোনো চান্স নাই একদম ঘোরায়।
থ্যাংক ইউ স্যার।
স্যার এদিকে মারলে
এক্সকিউজ মি স্যার।
একটা মারি। পার হয়ে গেছে স্যার।
শুরু
লাভলি। থাকবে। দেখি কোনো মার্কার? Yes. Good. চলে দাও। গিরি। বাইরে গেছে। স্যার এটা থাকুক স্যার।
চলে দাও চলে দাও।
না স্যার থাকুক স্যার, আপনি মারেন স্যার। Yes. স্যার এটা রাখছি।
Always prefer that you sit down and clean that. স্যার লাগবে তাহলে evaluate করার জন্য। সেটা বলো যে আমাদের যে মাসুদ ভাই বাবা থাকবে। Good.
এই যে লেগ পাস।
Leg pass.
স্যার বেলু।
Ready?
স্যার
এখন আবার এভাবে না, ওই যে লম্বা করে রাখো।
Bismillah, Honorable Member of the Parliament and Chairman, Parliamentary Standing Committee on Ministry of Youth and Sports. Special guest of honor, Mrs. Nilima Nigar Jacob, Commandant National Defence College, Lieutenant General Sheikh Mamun Khaled SUP, Madam Nigar Sultana Khaled, our cheered guest, fellow cohorts, galaxy of intellectuals from home and abroad, ladies and gentlemen, Assalamu alaikum and very good afternoon. Respected guests, how different is this afternoon? You yourself will discover as the color of today's event unfolds. Before anything, I, Brigadier General Imdad, course member of ND Course 2019, would like to welcome you all to the prize giving ceremony of NDC Janin Cup Golf Tournament 2019. Abroad and earn huge amount of games and sports, especially golf, in Bangladesh. Our best wishes for Janik, Mr. Abdullah Islam Jacob MP, is an alumni of National Janin Cup Golf Tournament since 2013. This is the second round of applause. Thank you, sir. Thank you from stage. There will be distribution of prizes among the winners of today's golf tournament. We got ticket discussion probably, but for now, there are a lot of books I found about golf, but we have to read some of them as Commandant said. However, probably golf is the one which stands for getting old and living fine. So we have all played golf and we'll be living fine inshallah. Best audience, jokes apart, today's tournament was a great fun. The tournament was played on a stroke play basis. Today there were total 72 golfers took part in the tournament. The number of participants clearly bears the testimony of the zeal and enthusiasm of the players. Congratulations to all the players. May I now request Mr. Abdullah Islam Jacob MP, today's chief guest, to kindly come on the stage and give away the prizes among the winners. Ladies and gentlemen, the chief guest. May I also request respected Commandant National Defence College, Lieutenant General Sheikh Mamun Khaled SUP, to kindly accompany the chief guest. I also request College Secretary to come on the dais, please. Major General Mizanur Rahman Khan, General Mizan. Then maximum part. Again, there were a couple of contenders for that. So there were a couple of contenders like Air Commander Rajat from India and Brigadier General Masood. Both played 4 parts, but as Brigadier Masood played 1 birdie, the prize goes to Brigadier General Masood Rahman. Second best bronze. Best bronze goes to our syndicate DS, our RPDS 1, Major General Masood Razzaq sir. Now I request all.
Distinguished guests, members of the faculty and staff, course member of National Defence Force and Armed Forces War Course 2019. Ladies and gentlemen, Assalamu alaikum and a very good afternoon. I am very delighted to be here with you today in the prize distribution ceremony of the NDC JD Cup Golf Tournament 2019. I express my sincere thanks and gratitude to the Commandant, Lieutenant General Sheikh Mamun Khaled, for allowing me to be the proud sponsor of this tournament for consecutive 7 times. I believe within the busy schedule of course curriculum, it was a wonderful morning for the golfers to enjoy the panoramic view, lovely water features, and the green landscape of Kurmitola Golf Course. I am happy to know that a large number of teen and senior golfers participated in this tournament. They made this tournament meaningful with their energy and vigor. My heartiest congratulations goes to the winners for their splendid performance. I thank the tournament committee for organizing such a wonderful event in the most befitting manner. Ladies and gentlemen, NDC is in my heart. I always cherish the wonderful moments of my life that I passed in this prestigious institution while doing the capstone course in 2013. For me, it was both academically rewarding and socially enriching. Please be assured that my support will continue to be with this institution in the future days, also provided I am given with the opportunity. I am proud to say that the government with dynamic leadership of the Prime Minister Sheikh Hasina, the daughter of the father of the nation Bangabandhu Sheikh Mujibur Rahman, we have increased the capabilities of the armed forces and made splendid infrastructural development combined with modern training and equipment. Today's armed forces are much more developed, efficient and intelligent. Our government has ensured that our armed forces have access to latest technologies, equipment and establishment as per the forces goal 2030. Alongside that noble responsibility of protecting sovereignty, the members of the patriotic armed forces have also been assisting the civil administration for the country's development activities, construction and infrastructures, elimination of military terrorism, meaningful law and order, the tackling natural disasters. Our armed forces have earned very good reputation at home and abroad. We all hope that this partnership between the people and the armed forces will gather more strength with the passage of time. Being a NDC alumnus, I always enjoy great pleasure to participate in the activities of National Defence College. I feel extremely proud to be a member of the team which has dedicated itself to train the operational and strategic leaders from home and abroad, from militaries to civil services and the policy makers. I am sanguine the National Defence College will continue to maintain its standard beyond the regional circle, and it will establish itself as one of the world's famous strategic organizations in the years to come. Finally, I would like to thank again Commandant Lieutenant General Sheikh Mamun Khalid for inviting me. I want to thank all officers and staff of National Defence College. I want to thank NDC for organizing this auspicious tournament. Thank you to all.
Thank you, Honorable Chief Guest, for your kind remarks. We are really fortunate to have your guidance and support with us. Without you, all these would not have been possible to arrange. Thank you, sir. Thank you once again. Now I'd like to proceed to the raffle draw portion. Ladies and gentlemen, now we'll be having our raffle draw. Raffle draw, first of all, it will be for the golfers. To do the honor, may I call upon our Commandant Madam and our Commandant Madam Mrs. Nigar Sultana Khaled to kindly come on the stage and distribute the prizes. May I also request our senior most technical course member's spouse, Mrs. Brigadier General Jakir, to accompany the madam. The first prize, the 15th prize, it goes to a born infantryman, none other than Brigadier General Masoom. It was a 4-packet ball. So again, the 14th prize, it goes to Brigadier General Mizan. This is also 4 packets of ball. Thirteenth prize, it goes to Brigadier General Sadrul. This is also 4 packets of ball. The 12th prize, it goes to Brigadier General Wahid. It will be gloves, ball and sticks. The 11th one, it goes to College Secretary, Brigadier General Munir. It is gloves, ball and sleeves as well. The 10th prize goes to Major General Salahuddin. The prize consists of T-shirt and ball. Ninth prize goes to Colonel Hiru from Indonesia. It is packets of ball and leather gloves. The eighth prize goes to Air Vice Marshal Said. It is again ball and leather glove. The seventh one goes to Lucky Man from Himalayas, Brigadier General Sudarshan Silwal. He is from Nepal. This is a pair of shoes, golf shoes. The next man, Major Rana from NDC. This was sixth prize, and it is also again a pair of golf shoes. The fifth prize goes to Air Commander Bortuja. This is also a pair of golf shoes. The fourth prize goes to Major General Jahangir. Congratulations, sir. And this is a golf trolley. The third lucky golf player is the player from India, Air Commander Rajat. Congratulations, Rajat. This is also a golf trophy, golf trolley. Next winner is Brigadier General Kahar from Malaysia. for the final one and the last one of the golfer category. It goes to senior most sports member of Indy Sports 2019, Brigadier General Jakir. Congratulations, sir. Sir, Bhabhi is here. Thank you, madam, for doing the honors. Thank you, madam. Level playing field, and here everybody is same. So now the raffle draw for the all others, but here is a condition. So there will be prize for one family, one prize. That means even somebody gets twice, he will accept one. And the people who got before, they will not claim this time. So this is the level playing field. Is that okay? And give away the prizes, please. Ladies and gentlemen, the special guest, Mrs. Nilmanigar. May I also request spouse of our college secretary, Mrs. Farjana Muni, to come on the dais. The first one is with me. The number is 243. 243. Brigadier Bashir, ND course member. This is the 15th prize. It is a bowl with mixture. Miyako brand. Next. The 14th prize. It is a roti maker of Comet brand, and it goes to the man possessing the coupon number 080. 080. Farzana. Major Afsana. Now the 13th prize, the number has got some similarity with our liberation war. Its number starts with 1, ends with 1. The number is 171. Brigadier Mamoon. Congratulations, sir. It was a blender. Now the 12th prize, it goes to the number 053. 053. Congratulations, madam. This was a toaster. Next number is out. It's a lucky number 001. 001. No claimant. 001. Sir, move forward, sir. So next number is 11th prize. It goes to the number 248. 248. The lucky number is 248. Mr. Alam, it was a room heater. You can feel warm. Next number is 129. 129. Captain Jia from the FWC. This is 10th prize for the rice cooker. Congratulations, Jia. Next number is, everybody tells sweet. I say 16. 16. That number is 16. 016. 016. Happy congratulations. The 9th prize was a juicer. Next number is 264. 264. I hope you remember the rule. One prize for one family. Group Captain Mustafiz, faculty FWC. Thank you, sir. Next number is 259. 259. 259. This is the day of FWC. Chief Inspector FWC, Brigadier Ali sir. The 7th prize was a gift fryer. from Miyako brand. Next number, the holy number 021. 021. Mrs. Purushottam Amirul. This is sixth prize. It's a grill machine. What would you like to grill? Chicken or something else? Next number is 009. 009. Lieutenant Colonel Mustafa. So the fourth prize goes to Lieutenant Colonel Mustafa, and it was a microwave oven. The next number is out. It is the number starts with 0, then 2, then 9. 029. Mrs. Mandip. This is a microwave oven. The next one is 163. 163. Anyone? 163. Same family. Thank you very much, sir. Next number is 102. 102. Get over the side. This is a mobile set, Samsung Galaxy J4. So this is the second prize, and this is the big one. This is a air ticket, Dhaka, Coxbazar, Dhaka for a couple. So the number is out. Hold your breath. So the number is 136. 136. Is it same family? Mrs. Silwal from Nepal. So we are at the end. We have one more to go. The final one. It's a big one. It's a Sony Bravia TV 40-inch. So the number is already out. The number starts with 0. Anyone's waiting? The number ends with 1. Few more people waiting. And the number in the middle is 8. So it makes it 081. 081. Jan Jahangir. Same family. Sir, should we go forward, sir? So you have some more chance. Again, the number starts with 0. This time, number ends with 2. And the middle number is 1 plus from the prior one, I mean the previous one. So the mathematics is very complicated. It is 092. 092. Okay? This is none other than our special guest. Please big round of applause for her. Thank you, madam. At this juncture, may I request our commandant, madam.
শেখ মুজিবুর রহমান। তাই বঙ্গবন্ধুর স্মরণে ও লাখো শহীদের স্মরণে আমি এই দেশাত্মবোধক গানটি করছি।
move forward.
শুভ অপরাহ্ন। একদম লাঞ্চের সময় হয়ে গেছে, সো শুভেচ্ছা জানানো ছাড়া আর বেশি কিছু বলার নেই। খুব সুন্দর আয়োজন। এই সুন্দর আয়োজনের সঙ্গে সম্পৃক্ত থেকে আমার খুব ভালো লাগছে। এনডিসি জ্যানিক কাপ গলফ টুর্নামেন্ট 2019-এর প্রাইজ ডিস্ট্রিবিউশন সেরিমনি। আমাকে জাকব ভাই আমাদের মাননীয় এমপি মহোদয় বলেছেন, ভাবি বলেছিল যে এখানে আসার জন্য, বাট আনফর্চুনেটলি একটু লেট হয়ে গেছে, বাট স্টিল আমি অনেকটুকু এনজয় করলাম। আমরা ভাবি নীলিমা ভাবির অসম্ভব সুন্দর পারফরমেন্স সহ পপির দারুণ পারফরমেন্স দেখলাম। খাবার আগে তাদের জন্য একটা জোরদার করতালি হতে পারে? আমি জানি না, আমরা আসলে মানুষকে করতালি দিয়ে এনকারেজ করি কম, এটা আমরা আমাদের সম্ভব শিল্পীরা খুব এনকারেজ এটা করলে। থ্যাংক ইউ ভেরি মাচ। সো জাকব ভাইকে অনেক ধন্যবাদ। উনি একজন সংস্কৃতমানা মানুষ, সে কালচারালি নিজে অনেক বেশি সম্পৃক্ত, অনেক বেশি রিচ মেন্টালিটির, আমাদেরকে সবসময় পেট্রোনাইজ করে। ইজ এ ভেরি ডিয়ার ফ্রেন্ড অ্যান্ড ব্রাদার অফ আওয়ার্স। সো সে ডাকলে আমরা চলে যাই। কিছুদিন আগে তার নির্বাচনী এলাকায় গিয়ে আমরা মুগ্ধ হয়ে গেছি। আমরা যেটা দেখে এসেছি বিস্মিত হয়ে, সেটা হয়তো আপনারা অনেকেই দেখেননি, জ্যাকব টাওয়ার। আমাদের চর ফ্যাশনের মধ্যে এরকম একটা জায়গাকে যে এত সুন্দর করে গড়ে তুলেছেন, আমার মনে হয় এটা একটা আকর্ষণীয় ট্যুরিস্ট স্পট আমাদের সবার জন্য। সো আমি বলবো যে এখানে যারা আছেন সময় সুযোগ পেলে আপনারা অবশ্যই গিয়ে একবার জ্যাকব টাওয়ার ঘুরে আসবেন। সেই এলাকাটাতে তার পুরো এরিয়াটাকে সে খুব সুন্দরভাবে সাজিয়েছে এবং সেই ছোঁয়া বাংলাদেশের বিভিন্ন প্রত্যন্ত অঞ্চলে ছড়িয়ে পড়ুক, এটাই আমার কামনা থাকবে। আজকের এই আয়োজনের সঙ্গে যারা সম্পৃক্ত তাদের সবাইকে ধন্যবাদ। আবারও যারা পারফর্মার এবং আপকামিং যে সমস্ত পারফর্মাররা আসছেন তাদের সবাইকে অন্য ধন্যবাদ জানাচ্ছি। এনডিসি জেনিক কাপ গলফ টুর্নামেন্ট সফল হোক, এটা এই ধারা যেভাবে শুরু হয়েছে এটা অব্যাহত থাকুক। পরবর্তী বছরে যেন আমরাও কিছু করতে পারি, সেই সুযোগ যেন আমাদেরকে করে দেওয়া হয়, সেই প্রত্যাশায় আমি বিদায় নিচ্ছি। থ্যাংক ইউ সো মাচ। Just now, and the card of buffalo milk that you also had, it was the courtesy of the chief guest. Please have a big round of applause for the chief guest.